Hey friends, if you wish to fix DPC Watchdog error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now this is a blue screen of death error, but we can eventually resolve it. So first of all, disconnect all the peripherals. And why do we connect these peripherals? Because products like printers, scanners, cameras, etc. push their own drivers to the system. This causes conflict with the internal drivers of the system. So first of all, try disconnecting these peripherals. If it helps, then you can make a decision whether you want to keep the drivers which are being pushed by the peripherals or your system's own drivers. The next solution is to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter, then press Y and hit enter once again to initiate the scan. The next solution is to update Windows to the latest version. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on check for updates in the right pane. The last solution is a system restore. Now how do we perform a system restore? Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Select open system restore. Choose a different restore point. Next, choose a good point. Next, and then finally finish and click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.